Hi, my name is Chris Antes, personal chef with the Chef for You to Have, and I'm here at the Conscious Cook Kitchen to show you a great recipe on how to make a tropical crab salad. So what I've done is I started off with mixing a little bit of some baby spinach, some romaine, and a little bit of iceberg lettuce with some diced celery, some diced tomato, some sliced red onion, and some sliced radishes in there. Now we're going to add some crab. Okay, and then to make it a little more tropical, I've got these wonderful little baby mandarin oranges. And then, even a little more, we're going to add some diced up mango. Okay, I'm just going to toss this around. And I'll tell you what, this is how I like to have it right here. It doesn't need any kind of dressing because with that mango and the little mandarin oranges that are in there, as you bite into it, it'll just release its wonderful flavor and mix so well with that crab. So you don't have to worry about having too much oil on there or anything. This is a beautiful salad ready to go. And there you are, the tropical crab salad.